Feeling both hot and cloudy today. We can see the clouds outside. I was looking out early this morning and I could tell there were clouds. Still really hot though. We haven't seen any really big benefit yet as far as the rain goes, but we are expecting that this afternoon to bring our temperatures down. I was pointing out that we're still officially under a heat advisory until 7 p.m. for that feels like temperature up to 112. So we'll say not quite as scorching as the past 3 or so days, but still hot for sure. Daily showers and storms expected each day through the weekend. We should have more clouds around. We will stay humid, so something's changing slightly, and at least we have that chance to get a cooling shower, which helps out so much, even though it's still really steamy and muggy feeling after the showers often. Temperatures right now up to 94, and look at these feels like temperatures, very high still, triple digits for almost all of our spots at this point. Radar is still quiet. There is a big thunderstorm though off the coast of Alabama right now, the shoreline there near Mobile. We do have surface low pressure near us, some rain out in the northern Gulf, and also we're going to see this front slide toward us as we get into the next few days. So you can see each day as we get this more unsettled pattern bringing some scattered showers and storms, so that should help us out. Now, is it going to bring us any drier, cooler kind of feeling air? I'm sorry to say no. Our dew point temperatures are still staying high, but through this weekend, that front will start to spark more scattered showers and storms. Just like today, our rain chance about 60%. Our temperatures still making it to about 94 for the high, and then lows tonight upper 70s with our rain chance going down overnight. I was pointing out how quick this flare-up of showers and storms could be this afternoon as our temperature is now high enough to see these showers and thunderstorms get going. 5 p.m. still some rain around, but it does look like this will be mostly during the daytime hours, and as we get towards sunset, things are looking a lot quieter. We'll move ahead to tomorrow. On your Thursday, our model showing perhaps a little less rain around, but still a near 30 or 40% chance for some scattered rain. And then on Friday, just a peek ahead, I know a lot of us looking ahead to the weekend at this point, you can see Friday 4 p.m. some scattered showers and thunderstorms likely wrapping up later in the evening. So the rain, as far as it goes, a quick Q&A. Scattered storms are back in the forecast and they're really not going anywhere for a while. How much rain for the next several days? About 1 to 2 inches, could be a bit more under any heavier downpours. And we could each day have 1 or 2 heavy downpours that could cause brief street flooding in spots. But overall, there's not a really high chance for that flooding kind of rain. Looking ahead to the weekend, both days, Saturday and Sunday for Satchmo Summerfest, for example, lots of things happening this weekend, and it does look hot. Highs around 93 though, so not quite as hot as it could be. Still feeling like up to 105, maybe 107 at times, and there could be some scattered rain. Also, just talking quickly about that tsunami effects, we still have advisories in effect for the West Coast and Hawaii, but thankfully those were downgraded earlier this morning. And just looking at some of those maximum wave heights on the coast of Maui, about 6 feet wave heights there, and Hilo, the Big Island, about 5 feet. Around the California coast, thankfully not quite as big, but people along the coast, the west coast of the U.S. are still kind of advised not to go out toward the beach or near the shorelines over the next several hours at least, because there are strong currents, so not the greatest day for that. 7-day forecast shows those temperatures continuing in the middle 90s for the next few days, maybe lower 90s if you're lucky and get one of those showers or storms popping up a little earlier in the afternoon. I have a rain chance near 40 or 50% all the way into the weekend and even early next week. Thankfully, not that extreme kind of heat, but still just that hot, muggy feel that we're pretty used to at this point in July and almost getting into August.